What's up, guys? Today we're back with another science experiment. Sorry for the late upload, but I've been busy lately. So let's get into it. So today we are making a water vortex. A water vortex is water that is spinning on an axis. For this experiment, we'll need the following materials. 2 plastic bottles, one with water in it and one without. You can choose to put food coloring to make it look more beautiful, like my lava pit over here. Or you could do it plain. And I got some duct tape over here and a washer. So, for this experiment, you should take off the cap. If both of them are full, then just take off the cap and drink the whole thing, I guess. Or if it's already empty, then seal it with tape if your washer is too small. Alright, so first off, you will need to put the washer on top of your bottle, just like this. Open the cap of this bottle, the empty bottle, and place it upside down on this bottle. If it doesn't balance, then just try it again and again. To seal it, use the duct tape. Alright, so as you can see here, we've sealed the duct tape, but you want to seal it really tight so that it doesn't make a big mess, because we tried this a bunch of times and obviously it did fail. So watch closely how the bottles look at the down one while it's flipping up and how it starts to form a tornado-like vortex like inside. Let's do that again, but in slow-mo so you can see it better. Alright, so here comes the slow-mo. Did you see that tornado-like thingy? I think that was really cool. Oh, sorry, I meant vortex instead of thingy. The circular motion that is happening inwards is the vortex. These things can happen in tornadoes, hurricanes, or any such natural disasters that come from the sky. Alright, so, well, that was the experiment. Hope you liked it. Bye, I'll catch you guys next time.